Hi there. In this video, I will be discussing crossing border from the US to Canada if you have a DUI conviction on your record. A lot of Americans contact us or call us and ask us, sometimes being confused as to why a DUI makes them inadmissible to Canada. I understand that a lot of the states may not consider a DUI a serious offense. In fact, sometimes it's not even considered an offense depending on the state you're in. And sometimes even if you have to serve something, let's say pay a fine, then the judge may have said to you that it won't even show on your record. So I do get a lot of concerned clients saying, how come it's showing on my record? I went to the border, I got denied, this was supposed to be taken care of a long time ago, etc., etc. DUIs are considered a serious offense in Canada. It can be considered a level of indictable offense, which would be an equivalency of a felony offense. It can be considered a summary conviction, which again, the equivalency is a misdemeanor. But because it can also be an indictable offense, it is considered a serious offense. So anyone who's been charged with that offense and convicted of that offense at any point in their life since the age of 18 can be considered inadmissible to Canada. To become admissible into the country, depending on when it happened, how long it happened, what you had to serve, what your purpose is to come to Canada. So there's a lot of factors to be considered. You may be eligible for a document called temporary resident permit. This, of course, is a temporary document, can be issued up to 3 years maximum, can be done at the port of entry or consulate, depending on your urgency, etc. We always recommend to submit an application regardless of going to the border or not at the consulate, because it just increases your chances at the port of entry. So I understand a lot of my clients have contacted me, like I said, and they're a little bit confused as to why their DUI that happened so long ago is something that is considering them inadmissible to Canada. If this is your situation, please do give us a call. There is a way to overcome it. There's a document, temporary resident permit, also a document called Criminal Rehabilitation that I outline and flesh out a little bit further in my subsequent videos. But just so you know, if you have had a DUI conviction on your record since the age of 18, at any point, this is something that you need to understand that the immigration office at the border takes seriously, and you will need a document to overcome it. So contact us so we can further explain it, assess your situation, see which document is most relevant for you to apply, whether it's a TRP or the criminal rehab application, how it's best to do this, whether it's handling it at the border, at the consulate, both. It really varies in regards to your situation to see how we can best ensure that you have the highest success rate. So I hope this clarifies a little bit the confusion of the DUI. If you have further questions, do give us a call. Until next time.